Number 19. So looks like we have a right triangle, and we have two sides and an angle. And so looks like we have just a basic trigonometry problem on our hands. And in fact, this problem, number 19, will always be this kind of problem. So let's see, we have the angle, and then we have the adjacent side and the hypotenuse. So it looks like this is a job for cosine. So cosine of our angle is going to be the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. And so theta will just be the inverse cosine of 62.3 over 63.2. So let's see. Inverse cosine of 62.3 over 63.2. And make sure you're in radians because our angle is in radians, like you can see right here. Our angle is in radians, so make sure you're in radians. So rounding to 3 sig figs, we just get 0.169 radians. 0.169 radians. Okay, let's look at number 20 now. So we have an isosceles right triangle, which means these two lengths are the same, this length and this length. And the area is 54.3, and we're looking for the hypotenuse. So if the area is 54.3, then we can just use the formula base times height over 2. Well, the base and the height are the same, so I'm just going to call them, instead of base and the height, I'm just going to call them both the side length. So it will be s times s over 2, or just s squared over 2. So then if I wanted to solve for s, I would just multiply this 2 over to the left-hand side, and take the square root of both sides. So s equals the square root of 2 times the area. So the square root of 2 times 54.3 will give us a side length of 10.42. So if the side length is 10.42, then to find the hypotenuse of an isosceles right triangle, otherwise known as a 45-45-90 triangle, if you have the side, to find the hypotenuse, you can just multiply by the square root of 2. So let me do that real quick. Take this, multiply by the square root of 2, and let's see, we have, rounding to 3 sig figs, we'll get 14.7. 14.7. Alright, so if you have any questions from other tests, make sure to leave a comment, and I'll make a video with the solution. With that said, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. This has been Investigative Math, and I will see you next time.